In this tutorial video, you will learn how to display and use the log table. From the vector layers in the layer box, click the Display Log File option from the options of the layer whose log file is to be displayed. Log records are displayed on the Open panel. Log records contain all records made in the layer and sent back to the system. All the new versions of the geometric changes made in the file can be displayed in log records. When we click on the Previous button, the old versions of the edited geometries are shown on the map. With the New button, the new version of the geometries after change is shown. The geometries can be restored by clicking the Recycle button. Thus, data loss is prevented. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.